Hi, Neil here from Portainer. Today I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to enable the Portainer Extensions, which are our paid plugins, when you have your Portainer instance in a protected network. That is, Portainer is unable to access the internet itself. So first of all, you get into your Portainer instance. I have 3 instances today I'm going to walk you through: a Linux one, a Linux ARM, and a Windows environment. Okay, so come into Portainer, click on Extensions. And you'll notice that this page takes a little longer than usual to load. That's because it's trying to connect to our downloads site and cannot. So, easy way to tell that, click on Containers, click on the logs for Portainer, and you'll see here, unable to retrieve extensions manifest. That shows that clearly Portainer is unable to access the internet. So, on Extensions page again, we want to activate each of the extensions. So, we first of all switch to offline activation. You then need to download the bundle of extensions, so click on the Here button. It'll download the file. I'm not going to do it because I've already got them, but download that file, extract it into your local computer file system because you need the files from within that archive. So first of all, let's start off with the registry management extension. So let's get a license key. Let's put it in here, select the file. In this case, registry management Linux AMD64. So open, enable extension. This is going to copy the file from my machine into the Portainer container and then activate with the license. There you go, enabled. We'll do the same thing with role-based access control. So we get the role-based access control license, copy that, paste it in here. Oops. Select the license file. So RBAC, Linux, open, enable extension. Same thing, copying the file up and activating it with a license key. Done. And now the last one. Switch offline again. External authentication. So back to here again. External authentication. Copy. Paste it in here. Select the file. External authentication is OAuth, Linux, AMD. So, okay, enable. And we've got all 3 extensions licensed without being connected to the internet. And you can see that, settings, authentication, here's OAuth active. If we go to users roles, you see this page is now ungrayed out, so this is active. Now if I switch to an ARM environment, this is now an ARM machine, a little Raspberry machine. Again, extensions, a bit slow to respond because it cannot get access to the internet. We'll just enable RBAC in this case, so actually now we'll do external authentication. So copy it, paste, offline, select. Now again we want to do external authentication. This time it's Linux ARM. If you have a Raspberry Pi 4, it'll be ARM64, but in this case ARM. Enable. So same thing, it's copying the file up, a little bit slower because it's a Raspberry. So there you go, active. And then same thing with Windows. We click on the Windows environment, click on extensions. Again, it's slow to draw. Offline. Paste in, we'll use the same one. Select file. This is OAuth authentication Windows. So Windows, open, enable. There you go, enabled. And again, if I just go to settings, authentication, OAuth, here it is ready to go. So that is how you enable extensions in Portainer when the Portainer instance